Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. It's an overcast sky today, and what I'm doing is I'm practicing um, with a sense of fixedness of the earth, relative, of course, a stability, an unchangingness, relative, and the continually changing clouds, the ephemerality, the changiness of the clouds. And I'm just trying to pay attention to that. And I'm thinking of it kind of quite naturally with my head is quite changing and it's going all over the place. But every time it does that, it's very easy for me at this point to just say, you're an idiot. You need to fix this. You should be able to do it better. How come you don't have this yet? You certainly have all my criticisms and opinions about my own sort of lack of enlightenment. But what I'm trying to do is recognize that every time I feel my mind, right? So something up here kind of drift around, come and go, let in the light, cover the light, get swept away by the winds. I'm just trying to relate that to my feet and the relative unchangingness of my feet or my connection to the earth or maybe even my legs, my stance. So that serves to kind of, I mean, literally, I suppose, ground me a little bit. Like the moment I focus on the thing that's changing and that's wrong and that's incorrect and that's uh, drawn my focus, I return my focus to the relative unchangingness of the feet. Um, and it helps me remember that some stuff is happening pretty well, even though it's going to be easy to chase the criticisms down. So thank you for that. And remember that you are the ground that the future is being built on.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.